In this video, we will learn how to calculate a conditional probability. Statista Motor Company produces two models, the Regressa and the Devion. The factory produces a total of 320 vehicles per day. Of that 320, 105 are Regressa models and 215 are Devion models. Each vehicle is thoroughly inspected throughout the process of production. The average number of vehicles with no more than 5 defects and more than 5 defects can be seen in the table. We will use this contingency table to learn how to calculate a conditional probability. This vertical line can also be interpreted as given. So in other words, this would be the probability that event B would occur given A has already occurred. The formula for calculating the conditional probability that event B will occur given event A has already occurred is given as the probability that events A and B will occur divided by the probability that event A will occur. So let's find the probability that a randomly selected vehicle after final inspection will have more than 5 defects given it is a Regressa model. The formula tells us that we should divide the probability that the selected vehicle is a Regressa and has more than 5 defects by the probability that it is a Regressa. From the table, we can see that the probability that a randomly selected vehicle would be a Regressa with more than 5 defects is 23 out of 320. Also from the table, we can see that the probability that a randomly selected vehicle is a Regressa is 105 out of 320. So carrying out the formula, we have 23 out of 320 divided by 105 out of 320. This gives us a probability of 23 out of 105. This probability can also be derived straight from the table. This conditional probability notation says that we should find the probability that the vehicle would have more than 5 defects given it is a Regressa model. This tells us that we should be selecting only the vehicles that appear in the Regressa row in the table. There are a total of 105 vehicles in this category. 23 of that 105 have more than 5 defects. This is consistent with the results obtained using the formula. In this video, we learned how to calculate a conditional probability.